So viewers, in a no-holds-barred attack, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that the Congress only uses the minority community, the Muslims, as a vote bank, as per the Prime Minister. The grand old party only believes in appeasing Muslim fundamentalists, and the party's opposition to the Waqf law is an example. Slamming the arbitrary changes made by the UPA in the Waqf law for votes, the Prime Minister gave an open dare to the Congress party. He said if the party really cares about Muslims, then why doesn't it make a Muslim the party president? Why can't the party give 50% tickets in the Lok Sabha elections to Muslims? Listen in to the Prime Minister's dare to the Congress.
मैं जरा ऐसे सभियों से पूछना चाहता हूं, वोट बैंक के भूखे इन राजनेताओं से कहना चाहता हूं, अगर सच्चे अर्थ से आपके दिल में मुसलमानों के लिए थोड़ी भी हमदर्दी है, तो कांग्रेस पार्टी अपने पार्टी के अध्यक्ष मुसलमान को बनाए। क्यों नहीं बनाते भाई? संसद में टिकट देते हैं, 50% मुसलमानों को दो। जीत करके आएंगे तो अपनी बात बताएंगे, लेकिन ये नहीं करना है। कांग्रेस में तो कुछ नहीं देना है। देश के नागरिकों के अधिकारों को छीनना और देना, इनकी नीयत किसी का भी भला करने की कभी नहीं रही, मुसलमानों का भला करने की भी नहीं रही।
Now, while Rahul Gandhi remained silent, other Congress netas called the statement ridiculous. Listen in to Sandeep Dixit of the Congress party in his reaction when he was asked about the Prime Minister's dare to the Congress.
I don't think I've heard anything more ridiculous than what the Prime Minister states. First of all, who's he to ask what the Congress wants to do? Look at himself. His people, daily, do diatribes against Muslims, right? There isn't a single Muslim in the entire government. I personally feel that the RSS and the BJP personally hate and dislike Muslims. So I don't think that party has any right to speak about anybody. But I think the problem with the Prime Minister is that, he's losing grip over after 11 or 12 years. He's not been able to perform. His whole charade about a great American government supporting him has fallen on its face.